Look at that, look at that beautiful Golf 6 TSI 1.4. Beautiful black exterior, very nice black interior, beautiful seats, sunroof, moonroof, radio, and sonar as well. So really neat, very special car. Very nice alloy wheels as well. Very super clean. It's parked most of the times indoors. That's so clean interior and exterior. So these kind of cars are more like weekend cars. Again, Golf 6 1.4 TSI.